Hi, my name is Stephanie Dietz. We're at Pies and Thighs in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. Today we're going to be frying chicken because it's delicious. This isn't a fancy recipe. These are all ingredients that you would typically have in your home kitchen. The only thing that you might not have is a meat thermometer, but you should have one. Our chicken is brined for 24 hours before we fry it. People might think that a lot needs to go into the batter, but it's really all about the brine. Our brine is salt, sugar, ground cayenne, ground paprika, and ground black pepper, along with water. We let it sit in the brine for 24 hours, and then it's ready to be fried. You could also play up your brine with different herbs, garlic, whatever you want to put in the brine. Chicken will be coated in regular all-purpose flour, and then we'll go ahead and drop it into the fryer. If you're doing it at home, just throw it in the pot. You don't need a fry basket. Once it starts to get really brown and crispy, then I'll start temping it. At home, I like to fry in a cast iron pot. I think a heavy bottom pot is the best way to go. If you don't have that, then just any aluminum or steel pot will be fine as well. When you're temping chicken, check the bigger pieces, the breasts. They take longer to cook. Typically say it's about 2 minutes every 10 degrees. Take it out of the fryer, and then I'm going to do a generous sprinkle of salt. I hope this has dispelled any fears you might have about frying chicken at home. It's really simple. If I can do it, you can do it. Bon appetit. If you'd like to watch another episode of Savvy, click here.
Next part that we're going to do is the actual cake. This cake, it's called a gicon. It's again a very classic French technique. Got some almonds.